Hi everyone, my name is the Chef Dwight, and today I'll be making some short rib, broccoli and green beans. I washed my short ribs and I'm gonna season it up with some seasoning salt and black pepper. My pot is hot, I'm gonna throw some oil in it. So my oil is hot and I'm gonna put the spare ribs to sear. After 3 minutes on both sides, I'm going to take them out and set aside. In that same pot on medium heat now, we're going to put some onion for 3 minutes, saute. After we put in 4 cloves of garlic. Saute for another minute. 1 tablespoon of ketchup. A cup of beef broth. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. 1 teaspoon of dry thyme. Add a little bay leaf. Now I'm going to return back the rib to the liquid. I let my pot start boil, and when it start boiling, I put the cover on. I put my oven on 325, and I put my pot in the oven for 2.5 hours. So in the meantime, my rib is in the oven cooking. So I'm gonna put some carrot, broccoli, and green beans to steam. So I get some hot water, real hot water, and I throw on my beans, carrot, and broccoli. Then I cover and let it stay there for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'm gonna drain my vegetable. Then I throw some olive oil in my pot. Then I add a teaspoon of garlic. Vegetable and saute. And I'm gonna saute 2 to 3 minutes. So 2 to 3 minutes. My veg is done. It's 2.5 hours now. And I'm going to take out my short ribs. Wow. Looking good. Now I'm going to share. Okay, here's my short rib. I hope you guys learned something on how to make this meal. And don't forget, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.